Mastering lean culture. Our lean culture's survival depends on radically upskilling our people. When we consider our organization's commitment to a lean culture, what approach will we take to talent development and succession planning in order to ensure that our people have the skills and knowledge necessary to drive continuous improvement and sustain our lean transformation over time? To ensure the long-term sustainability of our lean transformation, we will adopt a strategic approach to talent development and succession planning that focuses on building the skills and capabilities of our people. This approach will be centered around the following key principles. 1. Lean leadership development. We will establish a comprehensive leadership development program that focuses on building the skills and competencies required to lead a lean organization. This program will include training and coaching on lean principles, problem solving, and change management, as well as developing the skills to lead and coach others. 2. Competency-based training. We will develop a competency-based training framework that outlines the key skills and knowledge required for each role. This framework will be used to identify skill gaps and develop targeted training programs to address them. Training will be focused on building the skills required to drive continuous improvement and sustain our lean transformation. 3. On-the-job training and development. We will adopt an on-the-job training approach that provides opportunities for people to develop new skills and apply them in real-world situations. This will include mentorship programs, coaching, and project-based learning. 4. Cross-functional development. We will encourage cross-functional development opportunities to broaden people's skills and knowledge across different functional areas. This will help to break down silos and develop a more cohesive and collaborative approach to continuous improvement. 5. Succession planning. We will establish a succession planning process that identifies, develops, and prepares future leaders and subject matter experts. This process will be based on a thorough assessment of our organization's future needs and the skills and competencies required to drive our lean transformation forward. 6. Knowledge management. We will implement a knowledge management system that captures and shares best practices, lessons learned, and institutional knowledge. This will ensure that knowledge and expertise are retained and shared across the organization, reducing the risk of losing critical knowledge and skills. 7. Performance management. We will align our performance management system with our lean principles and goals. This will ensure that individual and team performance is measured and evaluated based on their contribution to our lean transformation and their ability to drive continuous improvement. 8. Recognition and rewards. We will establish a recognition and reward system that incentivizes and rewards people for their contributions to our lean transformation. This will include recognition programs, rewards, and promotions that are tied to our lean principles and goals. 9. Culture of continuous learning. We will foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement, where people are encouraged to experiment, try new approaches, and learn from their mistakes. This will be achieved through a combination of training, coaching, and on-the-job development opportunities. 10. Metrics and monitoring. We will establish a set of metrics and monitoring processes to track the effectiveness of our talent development and succession planning approach. This will include metrics such as training participation rates, skill gap closure rates, and the number of people promoted from within the organization. By adopting this strategic approach to talent development and succession planning, we will be able to build the skills and capabilities required to drive continuous improvement and sustain our lean transformation over time. Our people will have the skills and knowledge necessary to lead and support our organization's ongoing transformation, ensuring that we remain competitive, innovative, and customer-focused.